To effectively get rid of an odor, you have to treat the source material. Sometimes it's visible and easily removed, but sometimes the small particles float or land on hard-to-reach surfaces or both. If you've cleaned the visible source of an odor, yet a strong malodor still exists, the Electro-Gen Thermal Fogger may be the right option. It uses heat to produce 2 to 5 micron fog-sized particles that mimic the behavior of smoke, delivering odor control deep into crevices and cavities. Thermal fogging is efficient for treating large areas, especially after a fire. And it can produce add-on business for your company by deodorizing tobacco and cannabis smoke from vehicles, apartments, and facilities. Use the Electro-Gen with our solvent-based deodorizer, Thermo 55, a heat-activated odor counteractant that's a blend of highly purified solvents and odor-controlling essential oils. Choose the Thermo 55 fragrance that's most effective for the malodor source you're treating. Citrus fragrance for protein odors, burned meat or fish. Kentucky bluegrass for synthetic odors such as plastic or synthetic carpet. And use either neutral or cherry fragrance for natural odors such as wood framing or subfloors. Typically, there's a predominant fuel source to drive your choice, but if it's a mixture, use cherry. Use Tobacco Attack Thermo 55 for anywhere tobacco or cannabis odors linger. It's simple to use. While unplugged, lift the latches open and check the seal on the rubber gasket. Pour enough solution to submerge the filter. The barrel attaches with prongs. Press it until it snaps in. Allow the fogger 2 minutes to preheat before operation. Before fogging, always exercise common sense. Wear PPE, protective gloves, clothing, and eye and face protection. Don't use near an open flame. Turn off pilot lights and smoke detectors, and don't use near pets or humans, at least those not wearing PPE. And read the manual completely before use. Control the flow rate and fog particle size by turning the adjustment knob clockwise for drier fog with smaller droplets, and counterclockwise for a damper fog with larger droplets. For best results, we recommend dry fog. Start fogging at the farthest point and work your way back to the entry, pausing after each 15 seconds, and then release the trigger for 30 seconds. This will allow the barrel to reheat to its most efficient thermal fogging temperature. Apply in small circular motions to disperse the fog. You can see it move like smoke and penetrate cracks and dense areas. Keep doors and windows closed once fogging is complete and let it dwell for 30 minutes. After the 30-minute wait time, open windows to ventilate the space for a brief time before reoccupying it. You can also use the Electro-Gen as a cold sprayer with water-based antimicrobials like MetaClean Disinfectant Spray Plus. Simply detach the heating barrel, fill and spray. Want to become a pro in the lucrative remediation market? Take a smoke and odor class from Legend Brands Education. You can find a schedule of courses and all of these products on our website.